It's Lishi decoder VA6 tutorial for Pearl, Citroen, Renault, Toyota, DS, Smart. Let's get the proper view. At first, we have to find every wafer position by these 4 lifters. 1, 2, 4, 5 is done. Another 2 lifters. One is for 3, the other is for 6. Next, we'll find every position step by step by click ratio. Start from the first position. The first is spongy. Remember, the first and fourth are used by one lifter. The other lifter is for the second and the fifth position. Uplifters for the third and the sixth position. No waffles here. It must be the sixth. The other lifter must be the third position. We already use every lifter to find every wafer position. The second, the fifth, all positions ready. And next, keep pushing tension bar and pick this lock. From the first, not spongy, click, and the fourth, click. We use another lifter to pick the second and the fifth, and then the third position, not spongy, click. Go on, the sixth position, not spongy, click. The lock is already picked, and then get the code. Pay attention. Watch the arrow's direction. If the direction is right, the key code range 5, 6, 7, 8. The first key code is 7. Let's get the fourth. It's also 7. Let's watch the direction of another lifter. If the arrow is left, the range is 1, 2, 3, 4. And next, let's get the code from the second and the fifth position. The code is 4. The fifth, the code is also 4. Let's look at the uplifters. In the same way, the direction is right. The range is 5, 6, 7, 8. The third key code is 7. And the sixth is 3. Finally, input the key beating into the machine. Click cut by beating. Search VA6. Pay attention. Here, 1125 is the same as VA6. And then install the key blank on the machine, depending on getting picture. If it gets ready, click OK. Continue. Input 747743. Finally, cut a new key. It takes 1 or 2 minutes. Finish both sides of cutting. Try the lock on. Nice. Perfect cutting.